Thank you very much. Good morning, Finovate. I'm Sean, founder and CEO of Spiral, and this is my amazing daughter, Miley, who is a sixth grader, currently skipping school because I'm a super cool dad. Here's the reality. If you're a regional or community financial institution, up to 15% of your deposits are leaving you as we speak. They're going to mega banks and fintech apps that are offering saving experiences that your customer need, but you don't have. The result? 86% of Americans says their financial institution is not helping them with their financial wellness needs. Sure, you can offer high-yield CDs, but that only attracts short-term depositors that don't stick with you. Spiral changes all of this. We give people effortless ways to save directly within your accounts, embedded in your digital banking experience, so we can retain and grow your low-cost core deposits organically. We work with dozens of financial institutions across the US, and today I'm going to demonstrate our platform through one of our clients, West Shore Bank from Michigan. So as I log into my mobile banking app, this is really my live bank account, by the way. So you can see it looks on a first glance like a typical checking savings account. I can scroll down, and as I scroll down, we'll see the Savings Center by Spiral, which is our embedded widget. Here I manage as a customer all of my savings for one place. So let's tap Manage to take a closer look. What we see, the secret is that Spiral connects to existing savings accounts and upgrades them basically into a personal savings goals engine. I can see several goals in my account, and the total balance in my account is about $2,000 right now. So let's say I want to add a new goal to my account. How do I do that? I tap on Add a Goal, and then I can choose, let's say, something big. I'm saving for a new home, so I'll choose down payment. Let's call the goal My Dream Home. And let's say I want to save about $40,000, and let's give myself 3 years to actually do that, so September of 2028. Spiral automatically calculates that I need to save $1,100 a month to actually get to that goal. So how do I get to that goal in an easy way? That's where we invented the concept of auto saving. So I can see my goal created here with the progress tracker, and I have the Add Auto Saving button. So as I tap on the Add Auto Saving, I see gamified ways in which I can actually save money towards my goal. Anything from rounding up my transaction and scheduling savings, a rule where a deposit hits my account, take a certain percentage and move it automatically to my goal, linking my card so when I buy clothes, for example, I can tip myself 5% and save money through that, or maybe set a budget. And if I'm below my budget, move the surplus automatically to my goal. The auto savings are designed for different persona. So let's say I want to set $260 on a weekly basis, and I'll take it from my checking account, and it's that simple to create auto saving. Now what it does, it creates an automatic way for people to save money without really thinking about it. All the deposit stays within your accounts, all the deposits stay within your core system, and all the deposit stays on your balance sheet, no separate apps. Now let's make it fun and personal. Miley, come here for a second. So Miley here, as you can see, she's a huge Knicks fan. Are there any Knicks fans or basketball fans in the crowd? Yes, okay. So, Miley, who is your favorite player?
Jalen Brunson.
So, Miley loves the Knicks probably more than she loves me. And she has a big birthday coming up, her 12th birthday, her bat mitzvah. And I've been saving for quite some time for her to go to a game with me, which is her wish for her birthday. So what we can see here, I have a Knicks game goal that I'm pretty close to the goal line. And let's say I want to accelerate a little bit the rate that I'm actually saving. So that's a good example where I'm going to add round up to save auto saving rule. And basically with every purchase, coffee, food, the roundup is being rounding up going to this specific goal. And it makes, again, savings something that is very effortless for me to do. Now, let's say today is also Miley Lucky's day, because she's been asking me, are we going to go to the game? Are we going to go to the game? So the answer is yes. I told you what's happening on the stage is going to happen. So, I'm going to transfer a one-time transfer of the remaining balance, which is $100. And Miley, congratulations. We're going to the game.
Thank you.
And which game do you want to go to?
Knicks versus Cavs on Christmas.
Wow, that's I may need to save more money to that one. Okay, but I told you it's happening, right? So Spiral goes also beyond just savings. You can actually donate a portion of what you're doing. So let's say in Roundup, I have an option to learn how to donate. And as I go through it, the financial institution, in this case, West Shore Bank, gave me a few options. For example, providing books every time I make a purchase, or planting trees every time I put gas in my car, or I can choose my own charity. So let's say I decide to donate. I can decide if I'm saving 100% or donating a portion. So in this case, I'll save 80% of what I'm rounding up and donate 20%. And from this point on, it's not only that I'm doing good for myself when I'm actually saving money, but I'm also doing good for other people and people in the community. I'm getting this personalized widget that shows me my impact, my cumulative impact through the different transactions. And I can see that, for example, when we put gas in our car yesterday, Miley, we actually planted a tree, right? And when we bought food we bought for Foot Locker shoes, we actually provided a week worth of clean water to somebody in need. So maybe we switch now to the view from the financial institution perspective. And if you're the financial institution, we show you in real time all the different metrics. How many people are engaged? How many people are actually using the product? What are they saving for? Are they saving for a home? Are they saving for a car? How much deposits has been generated into your account? To wrap it up, Spiral transformed an ordinary savings account into a powerful personal saving engine. This is the future of finance. It's personal, it's effortless, and it's impactful. We help you grow and retain low-cost core deposits, and we'd love to talk to you at our stand. So thank you, everyone, and special thanks to my beautiful daughter for joining me on stage for the first time at Finovate.